Now that we know how to solve for the roots of a quadratic equation, let's talk about the sum and the product of the roots. For example, find the sum and the product of the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So in this example, I will show you two approaches in finding the sum and the product of the roots. So let's say x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Ang unang process na pwede natin gawin is to solve this quadratic equation first. So by factoring, we have x plus 4 times x plus 3 equals 0. Then by applying the zero product property, we now have x plus 4 equals 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. By solving for x, lipat si positive 4 or add negative 4 on both sides here and then add negative 3 on both sides here. We have here x equals negative 4 for this one and then x equals negative 3 dito. Now, ibig sabihin that the roots are negative 4 and negative 3. We can now find the sum by simply adding these roots. So negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 7. Therefore, the sum of the roots is negative 7. To solve for the product, we simply have to multiply them. So negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So therefore, the product of the roots is positive 12. The second approach is, of course, to identify the values of A, B, and C. Take note, mas makakabuti kung yung equation ay naka-standard form. So here, we have the values of A, which is 1, B equals 7, and then C is equal to 12. By using the formula, sum of the roots, negative B over A. Take note of this, yung sign. So we have negative B over A. So here we have the negative, and our value for B is 7, and then for A is 1. So by simplifying this, therefore the sum of the roots is negative 7. In finding the product of the roots, just follow the formula C over A. So we have C, which is 12, and then A is 1. So 12 divided by 1 is 12. So therefore, the sum of the roots is negative 7, and the product of the roots is positive 12. Another example, let's say find the sum and the product of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So first, identify the values of A, B, and C. A equals 2, B equals negative 7, and C equals 3. By using the formula for the sum of the roots, we have negative B over A. Take note of the sign. We have negative here, and then our value for B is negative, and then our value for A is 2. So by simplifying this, we have 7 over 2. So therefore, the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is 7 over 2. And for the product, by simply following C over A, we have the value of 3 for C, and then the value of 2 for A. So therefore, the product of the roots of this quadratic equation is 3 over 2. And that's it. I hope that you learned the process of finding the sum and the product of the roots of the quadratic equation. Thank you for watching.